You can currently get Bitdefender Total Security free. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim it and activate the protection. I'll walk you through the complete activation, from creating the account to getting Bitdefender Total Security running on your PC.
You know, if you spend any time creating online, your digital front door is probably getting knocked on way more than you realize. But honestly, even if you just want top-tier protection for your everyday devices, you've really got to pay attention to this one. We're going to walk through exactly how to secure your whole setup, and best of all, how to claim a massive 180-day premium upgrade step by step. So let's just get right into it. Dive in.
Just take a look at this quote straight from our source material today. You are getting 6 months of premium protection. And this isn't one of those watered-down, light versions of a software that constantly nags you to upgrade. This is the exact same engine behind Bitdefender Total Security. Plus, remember, Bitdefender has been a major heavy hitter in the cybersecurity space since 2001. So what we're looking at is a genuine 180-day promotional trial from a trusted name with absolutely no hidden catch waiting for you on day 181. So here is our roadmap for today. First up, the premium freebie, what you actually get. Then account setup, followed by the installation. And finally, we'll take a look under the hood. This whole process, it's going to take about 10 minutes in the real world. Let's start. Section 1, the premium freebie, what you actually get. What we're looking at here really brilliantly illustrates the value proposition. You are getting a full 180 days, that's half a year, of top-tier protection. Again, no credit card required. Now, on a Windows PC, it installs as the full Total Security package. But here is the absolute kicker. This license stretches across 5 different devices. So you can lock down your desktop for heavy editing, your laptop for travel, your phone for shooting on the go, whether it's Mac, Windows, Android, or iOS, and you'll still have licenses left over. It covers your whole ecosystem. Section 2, account setup, linking your channel. Now, there is one specific requirement to activate this creator-focused offer, but it's incredibly straightforward. The crucial point here is that this entire thing is a simple self-serve process. You start by opening the promo page and hitting the trial button. Then you create a free Bitdefender account, verify your email, and finally, you do one thing that makes this a quote-unquote creator promo. You connect a social channel. So let's look at what that single defining step actually looks like in practice. Right after you click the link in your email to verify your brand new account, you're going to be dropped straight into your Bitdefender central dashboard, and this welcome wizard will pop up. It literally just says, "Welcome to Security for Creators." All you have to do here is click that bright blue Let's Roll button to kick off the account connection phase. Notice the total lack of gatekeeping here. You'll see options for YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. And you might be thinking, well, I don't have 10,000 subscribers. I definitely can't do this. Wrong. You absolutely do not need a massive following to qualify for this self-serve trial. You simply choose one of these platforms, sign in to validate your account, and instantly, that 180-day premium trial flips on. It really is that easy. Section 3, the installation. Getting the software. Right inside your Bitdefender dashboard, you're going to look for a card that says Finish Setting Up Your Account. You can also find this under the My Subscriptions tab over on the left. Just locate the Install App button. Oh, and if you want to protect your phone, it'll even give you a QR code right there to scan. Super convenient. Once the software downloads to your computer and you open that file, you're greeted with this incredibly clean installer screen. Just tick the little box to agree to the subscription agreement, and then click that big blue Install button. That is literally the only click required to get the software running on your machine. The installer is going to start pulling down the full package, which is roughly 840 megabytes of data, so you might need to give it a minute, depending on your internet speed. But while it installs, it actually cycles through some of the heavy-hitting features. For example, you'll see it's automatically setting up multi-layer ransomware protection. I like to think of this as a digital hostage negotiator. It identifies unseen attacks and actively backs up your original files, just in case someone tries to lock them down. Pretty awesome. Just a few minutes later, you'll see this beautifully simple completion screen telling you Bitdefender is now installed. At this point, you've got a choice. You can click the blue button to run a quick initial device assessment, to scan your system's critical areas immediately, or you can just click Skip in the bottom right corner and head straight into your new dashboard. Section 4, Under the Hood, the payoff. This right here is the real payoff. Let's do a quick rapid-fire tour of the premium tools you just unlocked for zero cost. See how this builds a massive wall of defense around your digital life? On the left side, you've got your real-time antivirus blocking threats as they happen. But if you shift over to the privacy tab on the right, this is absolute gold for creators. You get a built-in VPN, which is perfect for securely editing at coffee shops, and Safepay for locking down your online banking when that ad revenue finally hits. It is a fully comprehensive security suite. But remember, this is specifically the Security for Creators package. So on top of all that traditional security we just talked about, you get some highly exclusive creator perks. We're talking 24/7 monitoring of the social account you linked, plus an incredibly useful anti-scam email filter. If you treat your social channel like a small business, this filter is absolutely crucial. It's designed to flag those fake, malicious sponsorship emails that hackers use to steal channels, stopping them dead in their tracks before you accidentally click a bad link. And finally, here is the visual proof of your 10 minutes of effort. Your dashboard flips to this great green shield confirming you are safe, with that 180 days left badge ticking down right at the top. That is a full 6 months of total peace of mind.
I really want to leave you with this final thought. We just proved that it takes exactly 10 minutes to claim 180 days of premium security. And deals like this, they close without warning once quotas are hit. So, if top-tier cybersecurity is literally handing you the keys to the castle for half a year, what is stopping you from locking your front door today?
That's all it takes to get Bitdefender set up. If you want to try the 180-day offer, I've put the complete guide and official link Techno360, and I'll see you in the next video.